Bitcoin, Ethereum. What are the biggest cryptocurrencies and can they value more? Cryptocurrencies are here to stay, that's what everyone says. Many cryptocurrencies are on a growth trajectory right now. Some of them will succeed and some will fail, but most of them will become more valuable. Today we're going to look at the biggest cryptocurrencies and discuss whether they can climb higher in the future. As everybody knows, Bitcoin is king. And Ethereum is queen. Bitcoin has come a long way since it was first introduced in 2009. Bitcoin remains the most popular one and stays in a leadership position. Let's take a look at some of the biggest cryptocurrencies and discuss, can they value more in future? Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency, and it is also the oldest. It was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, who is considered by many to be a pseudonym for an unknown person or group of people. The platform runs on blockchain technology, which allows users to make digital transactions without using a bank or other central authority. BTC is used to pay for goods and services as well as to pay for the services of the company that provides the infrastructure for the blockchain. It is also a long-term investment and speculative investment for many people. In the few years since it was created, Bitcoin has been hailed as everything from the new gold to the future of currency. Unlike fiat currencies, the US dollar is one example. Bitcoin isn't controlled by any central party like a government or company. Instead, it's controlled by the people who use it. Bitcoin can value more, it's just not an easy process for them to take on. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency that is meant to be independent of any central authority, so it cannot easily adjust its monetary supply. The underlying protocol of Bitcoin was designed in such a way that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins that can be mined. This means that the value of Bitcoin will need to continually grow over time to accommodate the growing circulation. It also means that if Bitcoin's market capitalization were to reach the same level as gold's current market cap, then each Bitcoin would be worth around $1.2 million. If you like videos about investing in cryptocurrencies, insurance, finance, loans, and mortgages, you'll love following the Money Trace channel. You can support us by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when we release new videos. Please also hit the like button if you find this content helpful so that YouTube will spread our message to more people. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is currently the second most popular cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. It was initially proposed back in 2013 by Vitalik Buterin, a programmer born in Russia and raised in Canada, who was just 19 years old at the time. Ethereum is different from Bitcoin because it isn't just a currency, it's an entire platform for decentralized apps and smart contracts. Smart contracts allow you to create applications that can run without any downtime, manipulation, or interference from third parties on the Ethereum blockchain. Smart contracts can also be used for tracking funds or payments for businesses or online freelancers. They've opened up a new world of possibilities for financial transactions and have enabled creative entrepreneurs to start up some truly innovative business ventures. Another thing that makes Ethereum unique compared to Bitcoin is that its transaction speed is faster than Bitcoin but slower than other cryptocurrencies like Ripple. Can Ethereum value more? Of course it can. It can also value less. The real question is, what kinds of actions will lead to Ethereum valuing more? Our prediction is that the answer lies in a path called using it. If people use Ethereum, it will gain value. Why? Because the more people use it, the more valuable it becomes as a decentralized currency. Tether, USDT. Tether is a stablecoin, which means that its value is pegged to the US dollar. Tether is the most popular stablecoin. The USDT token is used by exchanges and traders as they want to trade cryptocurrencies without volatility risk. This means when you are trading on an exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase, you can buy cryptocurrencies using Tether tokens instead of dollars or euros. You can also exchange your dollars for Tether if you think that it's safer than holding them in your bank account, and believe me, it is. Tether doesn't have its own blockchain but uses the Bitcoin's one instead. Its developers claim that each token represents $1 held in reserve by Tether Limited and can be redeemed through the company at any time. The problem here is that this information hasn't been confirmed by an independent audit, and there's still some questions about whether Tether has enough reserves to redeem all issued coins. Here at Money Trace, we've already done the heavy lifting and researched the best investment partners for you. Click on the link in the description to get to know the best cryptocurrency exchange we recommend for you, but don't forget to come back to the video for more important tips. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin is the native coin of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. It has seen a meteoric rise this year, and many believe it will only grow further in 2020 and beyond. Binance has been a major player in the crypto space for some time now. They have established their place as one of the top exchanges, and have recently added support for smart contract platform Binance Smart Chain. For the Binance Coin to increase in value, they would have to have a positive perception of the platform. USD Coin, USDC. The USD Coin is a specific type of cryptocurrency called a stablecoin. These are cryptocurrencies whose value is pegged to another asset, such as the US dollar or gold, to keep its fluctuations in value within certain limits in order to provide stability and security for investors. As with other cryptocurrencies, USD Coin has its own blockchain system that allows users to store funds and make payments without using traditional banking services. This can be done from anywhere in the world using a converted wallet and does not require an internet connection, provided you have the required amount of USDC coins on your device. While most people who buy cryptocurrency do so in hopes that it will increase in value over time, and therefore be worth more when sold later, there are also those who prefer their money to be more stable and predictable. So USD Coin is a great choice if you hold it and stake for stable growth over time. Ripple, XRP. XRP is a distributed, open-source payment system built on the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger is an open-source, permissionless blockchain technology that can settle payments in 3 seconds. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of the XRP ledger and the digital asset of choice for banks, payment providers, and digital asset exchanges. The idea behind Ripple was to create an open-source protocol for cross-border payments that would allow banks to settle transactions with each other more efficiently and cheaply than they do now. Honestly, Ripple has a massive advantage over all the other crypto out there. It's backed by a ton of powerful partners, including American Express and Santander. If crypto is going to be treated like real-world currency, then Ripple has all the tools to be the one that makes it happen. Solana, SOL. Solana is a blockchain platform that is focused on speed and scale. It supports smart contracts and decentralized apps, and aims to have the fastest throughput of any blockchain. The team behind Solana claims it can achieve a transaction capacity of over 50,000 transactions per second, due to its proof-of-history consensus protocol, which uses block hashes like timestamps to establish order between events. The most important thing Solana must do over the next few years is resolve its security issues and prevent downtime. If they can solve these problems, then Solana can be worth a lot more in coming years. As you saw, there are many cryptocurrencies on the market, but Bitcoin and Ethereum have always been ahead of the competition. While there is a large number of cryptocurrencies, some have more staying power than others. Bitcoin has been around for 13 years and Ethereum for 7. They are 2 of the oldest and most stable cryptocurrencies to date. Maybe you're not ready to invest in new currencies, or maybe they're too risky for you. There is no shame in that. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum are reliable options that you can trust your funds with and avoid the volatility associated with newer coins. We love to create animated videos to help people like you. Hit subscribe and the bell icon to follow the Money Trace channel. By becoming a part of the Money Trace community, you won't miss our latest videos. One last tip, we've selected 2 other videos that will expand your knowledge even more. Enjoy!